Man, somebody get that tree out of the way. Stage hand. Get that tree out of here. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Monkey and Crow Show with the one and only Monkey and the one and only Crow. You guessed it, the Monkey and Crow. Today we're going to be doing a video about a mini blender. We're going to do a show on a mini blender. I just had a spider web in my mouth. Man, did you clean this corn before you bring it out? A mini blender, I need to know what it blends. I want to throw me all kinds of stuff in there. I want to throw me some rebar in it, some blades of grass, a couple of knives, post hole diggers. Is that what all you can put in it? No, you can't put stuff like that in it. It's a mini blender. It can't even handle big stuff. It's made for smoothies and fresh fruit drinks and stuff. Now, if you want to see how it works, stay tuned to the show. Take a look at it, watch it, and learn how to use it, because this thing's got a learning curve. Man, I just love smoothies. They're so smooth. They're cold, cool, relaxing. I like the strawberry ones that taste like oranges. I sure do. The orange strawberry smoothies that taste luscious in every way around. You know, I just got to get my beak on one of those things. So I might buy me one of them little blenders. Yeah, you could use one because it runs on a USB. You charge it with a USB, run to the farmer's house and charge it every time he's charged, and then it's cordless. Runs forever. Chop that stuff up, drink it, get healthy and luscious on it. And if you're fat, well, I was going to be fat. Drinking a smoothie ain't going to help your fat ass. You eating 10 pounds of pizza every 5 minutes and not exercising. Anyway, stay tuned to watch this show and tell us what you think about it in the comments. And then hopefully you can get healthy on it. Make a whole lot of good and cool drinks, especially during this summertime heat. We live in a tropical environment like I do, all-time heat. And now I'm going to tell you the joke. How do birds fly? How do birds fly? I'm a bird. Tell me, do you know how I fly? Have you ever seen me fly? Only when I'm getting about 9 pounds of buckshot in my ass cheeks when that farmer runs out with his shotgun. Man, you see me fly then. Man, you gotta talk like that. I'm trying to get to the punchline. They wing it. Get it? Birds, how do birds fly? They wing it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the show. Hit the like, subscribe, and share. Know this ain't the end. It's the end of the Monkey and Crow Show. Stay tuned to watch the USB mini blender. I almost forgot the name of it. USB mini blender right after we shut our damn mouths up. Alright, we'll see y'all next time. And goodbye. Yep, goodbye people. Have fun, laugh, enjoy yourselves, and put some nice comments about how good looking the Monkey and Crow is. Because we are. Goodbye. Hello everybody and welcome back to Cooking with Klaus. I hope you enjoyed the commercial break and did whatever you needed to do. Run to the bathroom, run outside, dig holes in the yard, bury bones. Whatever you do during the commercial break. Today on Cooking with Klaus, I'm going to show you a nice small blender. Very small horses under the hood. Good blender. You can take it places. You can carry it like this. You can sling it around and let the strap break and it'll go flying in the bushes. It's green so you can't find it. This is winter time. They should live in a place where it don't snow. This has, first, I'm not going to say this has. First, I have to tell you something. See, some people are going to buy this. They're going to throw something in it that you're not supposed to. It's going to break or it will stop spinning. This is not made for thick, hard carrots. It's not made for hard cucumbers, things like that. This is made to make health drinks and things like that. That's what it's made out of. Yes, I said things like that a whole lot. You'll make healthy drinks out of it. And healthy drinks come out of things. Yeah, I know you can put carrots in healthy drinks, but don't put no carrots in here. This is made for soft food. Now I'm going to show you some of the things that somebody may try to put in here that you're not supposed to put in there. Cement.
Oh well.
Rocks. Metal. Plastic. And nails. Now those are some of the things that some people will try to blend with this thing knowing better, but they'll do it anyway. And then they'll put a low review warning other people, don't buy it. Don't buy this because I put a rock in it and a piece of rebar and it broke. This is not made for stuff like that. And a carrot may as well be a piece of rebar to something like this. Does this look heavy duty? It's not. What can you put in it? Soft vegetables. Or fruits. Fruits really. I don't want to put a vegetable in here. Soft fruits to make you a healthy drink so you'll be healthy. Now, how does it work? It's got a button on it. Very suspicious looking button. Charges on a USB. I'll get that out of the way because I know I'll forget it. Look at how short that is. Amazing. This opens 3 ways. I'll show you the top first. This opens so you can pour your stuff out. There's your ring in there that won't never cooperate. That way you can pour your drink out and it'll strain some of the bigger stuff out that had a problem blending. Take this off. You can take the whole thing out and you wash it. I'm going to go ahead and screw these back on before I take off the other part. And it's also got a smiley face on it.
And these colored black.
They come in different colors. They also come in different colors. Oh, I got grasshopper green. This one here comes off so you can clean it. Beware that blade. Because when it's charged and you turn it on, that blade gonna chop you into ribbons. So don't be holding this like this, or like this, or like this, where when that blade spins, it's gonna hit you. Because you hit that button. It's got a safety mechanism. If you hit it once, nothing happens. If you hit it once and wait 2 seconds, 1, 2, nothing happens. You gotta hit it twice. Once, twice. See, it's a safety mechanism. But what if you're a moron and you're like, got your finger up in here like I did just now. I'm going to demonstrate, cut my finger off. And you hit it once, twice. Oh my God, my finger. My finger, it's on the floor. Pick it up. Get the glue. So be careful with this. It's got a safety, the 1-2 mechanism, the 1-2 turn off. Now some people buy these, they don't read the instruction manual. I never read it. I didn't know it was 1-2. I figured that out on my own.
No wonder it won't work, and he said it didn't work.
Some people be pushing it. Man, it don't work. Look, I'm holding the button 1-2. It still ain't working 1-2. It's a piece of junk. I'm 1-2. I'm holding it in like you're supposed to. It's a prolonged hold. I'm holding it in. It ain't working. Come on. It's a miracle. Let's try it again. Oh, it's still not. It's doing it again. It only comes on when it wants to. Oh, it's on. Call Ripley's. It's on. It ain't on no more. It's broke. It's not broke. 1-2 turns it on. 1 turns it off. Again, 1-2 turns it on. 1 turns it off. 1-1-2. Nothing. You waited too long. You didn't do it fast enough. 1-2. It's on. Now it's off. 1-1-2-3. It's broke. It's broke again. All right. Now we got that done and out of the way because people can't turn it on. I'm going to put it on and watch it leak because I'm doing a video. When I use this and I'm not making a video, it won't leak. When I'm making a video now, there's probably going to be tomatoes and garlic flying all over the room. If that happens, just discard what you saw, make like it didn't happen. Okay, take the whole top off. See, these seals never cooperate. You know why? Made in China. All right, when you put your stuff in here, if one falls on the floor, give that drink to your friend. Don't say nothing about it. All right, got it. I put onions and onions. I'm putting garlic and tomatoes in here. That's all I got. I didn't go shopping for stuff. What? And you never want, I don't care if these vegetables, yeah, they're vegetables for the show. I don't care if these are moist. You always want to add a little bit of water or it won't blend right. If you don't add water, it could bog down and stop the blade from turning, even though it's not a carrot or a piece of rebar. Once that's done, you put this on good and tight and get your umbrella ready. All right, dog. Once, twice, it's on. Shake it up a little, 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 shake it up a little. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. All the way up, all the way down. Shake it, shake it. So my Doberman pincers think there's a fly in here looking around everywhere. Now, if this is sweat, it's not juice coming out, it's sweat. Yeah, it's sweat. Okay, when you're done with it, you take off the whole top. That's what I'm doing. Take off the whole top. See that water? Let's get rid of it. And then you take this here, get this out of here. You don't want to be sucking on that while you're drinking. And then pour it all in here, chunks and all. Now, if you don't, I'm doing that to show you the chunks went in. Now I'm going to show you the second method, the chunkless method. The chunkless method is going to be only take this top part off. See it? See the holes? They'll work with you. They won't work against you. And then you get the juice out, you get the juice out. You get the juice out, and I'm not going to get all the juice out. It'll be a 30-minute video. And then, when all the juice is out, see, you only got the juice, no chunks with that one. And the more you blend it, the frothier it's going to get, the foamier it's going to get. So, if you want to blend it, like you're going to have a lot of chunk left in there, because like I said, this is not a big tough blender that's going to chunk everything into molecules. But this is a good blender. It's easy to clean. It'll help you out when you need to do something fast. It's good to have. It's good to own. So I do recommend one of these. But remember, it's very limited on what it can do. Put strawberries in it. Put little pieces of mango, stuff like that to make you a nice, healthy drink out of it. Huh?
Smoothie.
Make a smoothie out of it, and that's what this is for. On the go. Bring your charger. Get a power bank. Bring this with you in case it runs down, or when you're trying to make yourself a drink. Right through, when you push the on button, it loses its power. Well, take you a charger. I'm getting the rest of this out of here as soon as the show is over, huh? But it's still got some water in it. I'm going to remember 1, 2. Well, my water's a little bit low and it's just got rid of it. Well, anyway, I endorse this thing, but be careful who you order it from, because some people don't protect their stuff well. Check out the 5 stars and 1 stars, things like that. So that's it for the mini blender. Comes in a variety of colors. The 2-button push turns it on, 1-button push turns it off. Got to be quick. And be careful that spinning blade. It'll give you one hell of a paper cut. So, I'll see you later. Like, subscribe, share, hit all the buttons at the bottom of the video. Leave a comment, a nice comment. Bad comments or smart alecky comments are always deleted, and the person is always blocked. I'm not dealing with that kind of people. And you play nice in the comment section, and I'll play nice back. And I'll see you next time on the Klaus right there show. Take a look at it, read it, and remember it. And I'll see you later. Goodbye.